Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge and Lbank listing. Now, Lbank listing to attract more listings soon. Now, remember that Shibadoge just got listed on Bitmart, and then that news, while we're talking about that news, is going to also motivate so many people to start buying and other exchanges to start considering listing Shibadoge. But for Lbank, actually the plan for Lbank to list Shibadoge has been on since last year. Even Shibadoge have to mention it on their website, that Lbank, crypto.com and get.io, that they are working strongly, they are working to get this coin Shibadoge listed on these three sites. Although since then there are different exchanges that have listed Shibadoge, which is IndoEX, BKX, then Bitmart, of course Hotbit have listed Shibadoge before. So but these major three that Shibadoge have actually listed on their site as of last year, we are yet to get crypto.com and get.io, but finally we also that Lbank are fully in for Shibadoge. Now this is also going to attract more exchanges to start considering listing in Shibadoge. Lbank, for me, they are one of the biggest crypto exchange. They control millions of dollars every day and they have millions of global customers. Oh yes. One thing I love about Lbank is that I've gone to so many, most of my friends, they say they buy most coins earlier on Lbank, get.io and Kucoin, but especially Lbank. There are so many coins you will see that Binance are yet to list, Coinbase are yet to list, crypto.com are yet to list, even Kucoin, Kraken, but you see these coins being listed on Lbank. Now when they are being listed on Lbank, those that bought it earlier, when they this coin actually listing on Lbank, by the time they start getting other exchanges listing this coin, those that bought it earlier on Lbank are already making money. Okay, now by the time Binance finally lists such coin or Coinbase, you see a massive bump. Some people are already making 300% of their investments, are already making 600%, even 2,000%, while some are at 7,000 and 10,000% of their investment already, because they were able to buy these coins earlier on, mostly Lbank. They're number one for me that list coins earlier before you talk about get.io, then Kucoin. So for me to see Lbank listing this coin, you are going to see this has already started helping Shibadoge price to increase. You see also Shibadoge gaining over between $7 to $8 million more market cap since then. So it's amazing. Even though they are yet to fully conclude all this listing and partnership, but at least people are still using other exchanges that have listed this coin already to buy. Okay, so I'm happy to see that the listing of Shibadoge on Lbank is actually helping this coin. It's actually helping Shibadoge to really increase in price. It's actually helping Shibadoge to gain more market cap, to gain more followers. And I believe if this continues, Shibadoge is definitely going to massively increase in price. And one important thing I also understand that Shibadoge this year might be hitting over 10,000% to 100,000% increase in price if everything works out for Shibadoge and for cryptocurrency in general. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.